Hi, I'm Michelle Kay. I'm with Colliers Engineering and Design, and I'm also the chair with the Telecommunications Industry Foundation. We're going to continue talking about post-modification inspections and really go back to Kyle, what we were talking about in the last video regarding communication and removing the barriers between the various stakeholders that allow us to have a more effective post-modification inspection process. And one of the things that you were talking about is the feedback loop that you're getting from the GCs. Can you talk a little bit more about that?
Yeah, I think that the feedback with the GCs helps us, learn more about both of our processes and how we can improve. So learning what kind of constructability issues that they have to deal with, that if we don't communicate that well to them in our designs, that they have to come up with a solution anyway. So learning what those communication pieces are, whether it's dealing with, tower lighting or the safety climbing facilities, or just lack of information from our designs.
Yeah, and because of the communication that we have, we can identify whenever a GC feels that they have to pivot from the design documents. They can contact me, the engineer of record, and be able to identify what that problem is and ensure that the prescribed inspections I've put in my design documents are still met, despite the pivots or obstacles that they may have faced. We can come up with a solution that will resolve the issue they are facing, but still meet the inspections that are outlined in my design documents, thereby satisfying the requirements of the International Building Code and Chapter 17 inspections list.
And based on those inspections requirements and all of the information and data that you're requesting from the general contractors through this process, I can't imagine how much data you're actually receiving on any one single site. How do you go about translating that data into useful information?
Well, as an engineer of record, that data allows me to be able to provide a more accurate design for my client, and usually much more efficiently. I can eliminate the amount of assumptions about the site or the condition of things if I have photos that have been verified, drawings that have been updated, and I can take all this verified information, make my design, and in turn give it to a general contractor and help ensure that we're going to have a quality installation.
Yeah, and what's really nice is that we have that closed loop on the back end, so that we can go back and recall that for that next time we touch that site, next time we perform an analysis. There's no assumptions that we have to make on what's going on, right? We know what was actually done. We were part of that process of doing that review, so that kind of bookends that process, and then we can then open it up on the next, the next time we touch that site. It just cuts down, how much time we have to spend looking for information, how much, our clients, the end users, have to use in providing that, both time and money related to that process.
Exactly, Kyle. Having that feedback loop and bringing it back to the engineer of record to verify that the site is code compliant allows you to do that quality review to ensure that the quality is there so that it can help the contractors achieve a safe working environment. We're going to continue talking about post-modification inspection in future tip videos. Thank you.